The internet is flooded with content for miraculous supplements that promise remarkable benefits, such as enhanced brain function, effortless weight loss, and significant improvements in immune system performance. However, it is essential to consider whether these claims are grounded in reality or perhaps reflect a more modern myth that society has embraced. Let us take the time to dig into the facts surrounding these widely promoted health products with a critical eye. Ever wondered if that daily vitamin is really doing anything? You're not alone. We're bombarded with messages about dietary supplements, from miracle cures to expensive waste. Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal the surprising truth. As you take a moment to look around, consider how many of you, or perhaps someone you know, regularly incorporate a dietary supplement into your daily routine. It's likely more than a handful. Today, we are embarking on an exploration of a topic that generates considerable discussion and diverse opinions: dietary supplements. On one side, we find passionate health enthusiasts who ardently advocate for the essential role these supplements play in enhancing our modern diets, suggesting that they offer vital nutrients that might be lacking in our everyday meals. Conversely, some skeptics view these products as little more than overpriced placebo effects, dismissing them with the notion that they are merely a waste of hard-earned money, with the outcome no more beneficial than expensive urine. So, what lies at the core of this contentious debate surrounding these tiny capsules and colorful powders that occupy the shelves of pharmacies and fill our kitchen cupboards? Let's peel back the layers of this intricate and multifaceted issue to uncover the truths and misconceptions surrounding dietary supplements. To grasp the scale of this discussion, let's look at the numbers. Global consumers spent over $177 billion on dietary supplements in 2023, with Americans accounting for approximately $45 billion, according to Grandview Research. This trend is expected to grow due to rising nutritional awareness and an aging population. Approximately 59 million Americans use vitamins or supplements regularly, spending an average of $510 annually. While products like gummies and protein shakes are popular, most people don't need them if they maintain a balanced diet, which can empower us to take more control over our health. In the UK, 48% of adults regularly consume dietary supplements, with sales projected to reach £559 million by 2025, a 13% increase from 5 years ago. This significant investment indicates a strong belief in their benefits, but is this belief backed by science? Globally, the dietary supplement market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, growing rapidly across continents. In the US, for instance, supplement use is even higher, with estimates often exceeding 50% of the adult population. What's driving this immense growth? Several factors are at play. Increased health consciousness. People are more aware of preventative health. There is a growing shift in public perception toward proactive health maintenance, with an increasing number of individuals focusing on preventing illness rather than just reacting to it. This trend is driving the expansion of the supplement market as people seek ways to enhance their well-being. Access to health information online has increased awareness of vitamins, minerals, and dietary compounds, encouraging more individuals to consider supplements. Many recognize the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, effective stress management, and adequate sleep, often turning to supplements for support, such as magnesium for sleep and probiotics for gut health. The pursuit of optimal health leads individuals to seek improvements in energy, cognitive function, and physical performance through personalized supplements. As interest in health grows, the benefits and simplicity of supplements make them an appealing choice, further contributing to market expansion. Aging populations. As people live longer, they seek ways to maintain vitality. The rise in life expectancy, thanks to advancements in medicine and public health, has shifted our focus toward health span, the quality of those extra years. Older adults increasingly aim to prevent age-related issues and maintain cognitive function, mobility, and energy, which drives interest in supplements. As they age, individuals often experience decreased energy and joint discomfort, leading to a growing supplement industry focused on anti-aging, joint health, brain function, and energy. Popular options include collagen for skin and joints, glucosamine for joint support, and coenzyme Q10 for energy production. Many people also want to maintain active lifestyles and engage with their loved ones, viewing supplements as aids to enhance stamina. There's a belief that aging affects nutrient absorption, creating a demand for supplements to fill nutritional gaps and support overall well-being. Ultimately, the desire for vitality and quality of life among the aging population fuels a strong demand for these products, significantly benefiting the supplement market. Perceived dietary deficiencies, a belief that modern diets are inadequate. This concern is not unfounded, as modern agricultural practices and soil depletion have a significant impact on nutrient content, making the audience feel more concerned and engaged. Processed foods, which often lose vital vitamins and minerals, further exacerbate the issue. The journey from farm to consumer, which involves specific factors like long transportation times and storage conditions, can diminish nutritional value. At the same time, concerns about pesticides foster the desire for pure nutrients found in supplements. Busy lifestyles often lead to a reliance on convenient but less nutritious meals, prompting people to perceive supplements as an easy solution for dietary gaps. In this landscape, marketing from supplement companies and media reports on nutrient deficiencies play a significant role in shaping dietary perceptions, making the audience feel more informed and aware. These reinforce the idea that modern diets are insufficient. Overall, the belief that modern diets are inadequate arises from concerns about food quality, processing, and lifestyle, driving many to seek supplements. Accessibility and convenience. Supplements are easy to buy. The availability of supplements has evolved significantly, transitioning from specialized health food stores to widespread access in major grocery chains, pharmacies, and even convenience stores. E-commerce has greatly improved access to dietary supplements, with online retailers providing vast selections and customer reviews to aid your choices. Many companies sell directly through their websites, enhancing the shopping experience and making it easy for you to find the right supplements. One advantage of dietary supplements is that they can often be purchased without a prescription. What's more, the variety available, such as pills, gummies, and powders, caters to your individual preferences, ensuring that you can find a supplement that suits your lifestyle and needs. Ongoing marketing emphasizes the benefits of supplements, making them accessible. However, it's important to remember that they don't replace a balanced diet and regular exercise. While they can complement a healthy lifestyle, they shouldn't be the sole source of nutrition or health benefits. Aggressive marketing. Companies invest heavily in promoting products. Supplement companies are masters of marketing. They leverage everything from celebrity endorsements to influencer campaigns, often promising quick fixes for complex health issues like energy, weight loss, or immunity. The language used is often aspirational, focusing on wellness and optimization. However, it's crucial to understand the regulatory landscape. Unlike pharmaceuticals, which undergo rigorous testing and approval processes by bodies like the FDA or EMA, dietary supplements often operate under a different set of rules. In many countries, they are treated more like food products, meaning they don't require pre-market approval for safety or efficacy. This can lead to variations in product quality, purity, and even the accuracy of ingredient claims. Understanding this economic and regulatory backdrop is essential before we delve into the science. Despite the booming market, the current scientific consensus offers a more nuanced perspective. Generally speaking, most vitamin supplements have little to no significant effect unless an individual has a genuine nutritional deficiency, such as a lack of vitamin D in regions with limited sunlight or a lack of iron in individuals with anemia. This is a crucial point. Popping a multivitamin every day might not be the magic bullet many hope for. The impact of supplements is highly dependent on who is taking them and why. This leads us to some fascinating exceptions. Let's look at a powerful example. A study on omega-3 supplements during pregnancy found that these supplements could lower the chance of premature birth by 11% and very premature birth, before 34 weeks, by 42%. These results are significant. Because of this, experts now recommend that pregnant women, except those expecting twins, take 500 to 1,000 milligrams of omega-3 every 3 days starting at their 12th week of pregnancy. Also, targeted supplementation, such as folic acid for pregnant women, offers a beacon of hope in the often murky world of dietary supplements. These clear, evidence-based recommendations highlight that while a blanket approach might not be effective, targeted supplementation for particular groups can be profoundly beneficial. The general agreement among mainstream health organizations and researchers is this: for the average, healthy individual consuming a reasonably balanced diet, vitamin supplements generally have little effect unless a person genuinely has a nutritional deficiency. So, what constitutes a genuine nutritional deficiency? This isn't just feeling a bit tired after a long day. A true deficiency is a measurable state where your body lacks sufficient amounts of a specific nutrient to function optimally, leading to clinical symptoms or health problems. For example, severe vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy, and a lack of vitamin D can result in bone softening. These are not common in most developed nations, especially for individuals with varied diets. However, certain population groups, or specific dietary choices, can indeed lead to deficiencies. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the flip side. Not all supplements are beneficial for everyone, and some can even be harmful. A notable study investigating the anti-cancer properties of antioxidants provided high doses of beta-carotene and retinol, forms of vitamin A, to individuals at high risk of lung cancer. The trial was halted early because these individuals developed more severe cancer than the placebo group. Even years later, their mortality rate remained higher. The prevailing belief is that the high doses of antioxidants interfered with the immune system, inadvertently promoting abnormal cancer growth. This underscores a vital message: always consult your medical team if you are considering supplements, especially if you are undergoing any medical treatment. And remember, fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K can accumulate in the body and become toxic if taken in excessive amounts over time. This cautionary tale underscores the importance of adopting a balanced approach to supplement use, where the potential risks are carefully weighed against the possible benefits. There's also a debate between sufficient and optimal nutrient intake. While your diet might provide enough of a nutrient to prevent a frank deficiency disease, some argue that higher, optimal levels, often achieved through supplements, could confer additional health benefits. However, for most nutrients, the evidence for such optimal levels beyond what a good diet provides is weak or inconsistent. The body works synergistically with the vast array of compounds found in whole foods, vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, phytochemicals, in ways that isolated nutrients in a pill cannot fully replicate. This fundamental principle is key to understanding why food first is often the best strategy. So, what's the takeaway? For most of us, improving our diet is a far more effective and safer strategy than relying solely on supplements. While supplements can be beneficial for specific populations, like low-income families, pregnant women, diabetics, or those with restrictive diets like vegans or celiacs who may face genuine nutrient deficiencies, for the average person, focusing on whole foods is key. Instead of a radical overhaul, start small. Add a banana to your breakfast, a handful of spinach to your sandwich, or some lentils to your pasta sauce. These small, consistent changes will gradually yet profoundly enhance the quality of your diet and, by extension, your overall health. What are your thoughts on supplements? Share in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health insights. And remember, always consult your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. The content on this channel is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before starting any supplement or making changes to your health routine. We are not responsible for any actions taken based on this content. Thank you for watching our videos and take care of yourself.